Hi friends, in this video let us solve a signal systematic question asked in GATE 2011 EEE paper. The question is that the Laplace transform of a function f of t which exists for t greater than 0 be f1 of s. And the Laplace transform of its delayed version is f2 of s. So f1 of s is the Laplace transform of f of t. f2 of s. f2 of s is the Laplace transform of f of t minus tau. So Laplace transform of f of t minus tau is, what is the thing? It is f1 of s e power minus s tau. Time shifting property of Laplace transform. f1 star is be the conjugate of f1 of s, where s is equal to sigma plus g omega. What is the thing? G of s. We have to find the inverse Laplace transform of g of s. G of s is f2 of s. f2 of s is nothing but f1 of s e power minus f1 star s divided by f1 s mod. This is what g of s. So f1 into f1 star is, it is a complex number, so f square e power minus s tau divided by f1 s square. This will be cancelled. So g of s is equal to e power minus s tau. If I take inverse Laplace transform, g of t is equal to del of t minus t. So it is nothing but an ideal delayed impulse del of t minus t. Option B is the right answer. Thank you.